All right, so today we're looking at the American Tourist luggage, and this is the full-size check bag. It's a hard shell, but it's extremely lightweight. You can hear the thinness of the plastic, but that doesn't mean that it's bad. This is actually pretty durable plastic. I'm surprised. The casters are real nice. They've got a rubber wheel, which will make them silent when you're rolling them. If you open it up, inside this one, this was the two-piece set, so inside this one was this smaller carry-on, which I'm not going to go through because it's almost identical. Go ahead and open this up here. And as you can see on the inside, it's your typical luggage. It's got two compartments. This here will zip up and seal. Inside you got your straps to keep everything strapped in place. I like the oversized plastic see-through compartment that's zipper. And then you've got your pouches here that you can just drop in some shoes or some socks or whatever you need to go in there. And there's also another little zipper compartment right there. But this is a pretty deep, dual-sided, like I said, piece of luggage. It's pretty nice. Sorry, I'm holding this with one hand because I don't have a tripod for my phone here. But zippers are nice. You've got handles here and on the top. And of course you have the extension that will pull out, so you can pull this behind you. I want to say these retail $190 in stores. It's not a bad deal. And like I said, you also get the carry-on, which is the same material, same insides, just on a smaller scale. But yeah, definitely something worth checking out if you're interested. It is an inexpensive way to go if you're traveling these holidays coming up. There's multiple colors. I think this is the slate blue. And I apologize, the lighting is not that great in this bedroom. But American Tourist, believe it or not, I'm sorry that's upside down, but that's just how they put their label. You'd think that's a little strange. You normally read left to right, but on the opening end, and it's upside down and backwards. But anyway, American Tourist is owned and sold by Samsonite, and Samsonite is a very well-known brand, so you're definitely going to get a piece of quality luggage out of this. All right, I think it's going to go quite a ways, but in the event that it doesn't, the event that your luggage gets lost, you're not out that much to begin with, so definitely worth checking out. All right, well, I hope you learned something, and as always, on to the next.